Check the valve on the burette is closed and then fill the burette by squeezing the bottle of EDTA solution until you've filled the burette up until the 0 mark. In this system you can fill beyond the 0 and it will self-right back to 0. Measure 100 millilitres of water into and pour into the NMR flask. Then add 2 millilitres of ammonia buffer solution to the water sample. And swirl. Crush 1 total hardness indicator tablet in a pestle and mortar and then add to the water sample. The water will turn a pinkish red. You need to swirl this so it's all mixed with the water. Titrate dropwise and swirl the flask after each addition with 0.02 normal EDTA solution until the solution loses all traces of the red and turns a clear blue. Once you think you've reached the end point, you need to stop the titration by closing the valve. Check the reading and then you want to add a few more drops of the titrant to check that you have reached the end point. You should see no further colour change if this is the case. If you do get a colour change, you haven't reached your end point and you need to add a few more drops. You need to record the new value if you've had a colour change and then add a few more, and if not, your original value is the one that you want to use.